Well, morning everyone. Nice damp, foggy morning. I'm making a trek into a new spot to try digging with my pitchfork. Got a rod there I'm going to use as a probe. Maybe help locate things a little easier. Anyways, I can walk in and look out for that, and get you back up on here once I get there. Okay folks, I made it in. Oh, okay, that broke off. Let's get that out of the way. Immediately I see some evidence of garbage pile. Look at that. Rose color. Some metal up there. Looks like old stuff. There's a food jar there. Broke. Crown's up. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get digging around in here. See what I can dig up. There's something over there. It's broke too. Heavy glass. Okay, I'll get you back up if I find anything. Okay, I have what looks to be a sausage bottle. I can't tell for sure. It's in there pretty good. I should have brought a shovel rather than a pitchfork. I didn't plan on digging down into the ground. I was thinking more digging into the side of a bank, but anyways, let's see if I can get this out. Pretty muddy. I'm going to need this again. Got it a little loose. There it is. That's broke. Was a Sussex. Was a tall boy. She broke. Well, keep plugging away. Down in there about 10 inches. Got this old school glue bottle. The rubber thing still on the top of it. Rubber dabber. A little too muddy for me to tell what kind of glue bottle it is, but looks like a LePage maybe. It says number 7 on the bottom. N07. Probably is a LePage. They seem to have that on them. And the other thing I found so far is this salt or pepper shaker. Some sort of cap on it. Brass maybe, I don't know. Anyways, keep digging around here. Me again with another spectacular find. I already picked this up and had a look at it. Check it out. Stoneware. Got that chip out of it there. I think I'm going to keep it. Groovy. Catch you on the next one. Okay, I might have something down in the bottom of this muddy hole here. Looks like an amber, but I don't know if it's broke or not. It's a screw top. No embossing on it. Well, on to the next. Okay, so I left that hole I was digging and started walking around, picking around under the grass here, and I think I found a better location. This is getting back there a little further, I think. This one here was under this grass here. Registered 1932. Libby and something. Libby and McNeil. McNeil and Libby. Must have been a, I don't know, what do you think? Looks like a condiment jar of some sort. But this here, check that one out. Pulling her out, I hope it's whole. Yes, sir. Nice. I found one of these before. Oh, that is awesome. In perfect condition. Nice amber bottle with grapevines all over it. Sweet. All right. Let's just go for now. Okay, I think I got something here, folks. Something to lift my digging spirits. See that little spot of green? I think that's a marble. Sure looks like one. That'd be number 4 for the year for me. Cool. Looks like it's just all green. Right on. Things are starting to look up. Way up. Thought the spoon looked silver, so I cleaned it up a little bit. I can read on the back of it there. It says Lennox silver plate. So I won't be keeping that. I wish this thing would focus on stuff properly. You want it to. Yeah, can barely read it. And then I got this little vial type screw top as well. Neat little find. Alright, on to the next. Well, I got out of that spot. I'm sure there's some stuff there somewhere, but I'm beat out digging, scrounging around. Got a couple old things there. I'll go back another time. I gotta get out of here. Right now I gotta focus on getting across this water. I got a pair of rubber boots on, but they're only up about halfway to my knees. And there's some rocks there I gotta try to walk across, so we'll get that out of here. I'll get some stuff cleaned up and put a little video together. There's not much there to show, but we'll figure something out. Catch you in a bit.